Hey guys, what's up? Weissworks here again. Starting a new series tonight. We picked up a MK7 GTI a while back, and it had blown engine. Cylinder 4 gone. Cylinder 4 rings were in the oil pan when we pulled it apart, but it's nice full leather. It's super dark in there. Sorry guys, I don't have a flashlight. Full leather, super good condition actually. So we're going to start a series on rebuilding this CNTA, I believe is what was in this car. CNTA Gen 3 TSI. Start a rebuild series on this and put it back together and get it going, get it running solid. DSG, if you can see in there, DSG full leather interior. Pretty clean car actually. We'll get this engine together, get the car running, and then see if we can't sell it and make a little bit of money. It's actually pretty clean, much prettier than the Mark IV Jetta that we have the series going on. Pretty straight, pretty decent. CTS full turbo back, and then a couple other goodies, not a whole lot, mostly stock. We've got some VMR wheels we're going to put on it. 18 by 8.5, I think they are. They're looking pretty decent. But Ryan is over here now, honing out this cylinder block to see if this is a good one that we can use. We've got cylinder 4, right? It was cylinder 4, wasn't it? Yeah. There was a little bit of scoring on cylinder 4. He's seeing if he can get it honed out. We've got a couple other blocks around we can try out. That looks pretty good, actually.
It does. That long scratch mark is gone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it had a pretty good scratch in the piston wall, cylinder 4. Looks like it's all out on that one though. So we'll try out these others and see how it comes out. As Ryan keeps stepping in the way of the camera. And then keep going from there.
And he had detonation on cylinder 4. If you look closely,
let's see if it'll focus right. You can just barely, there it goes.
you look right here, there's a small scratch coming up the wall. I'm gonna try to do one more pass with the hone, see if we can clear it out. And there's another one right here, which I can hear that one.
Well, don't hit it with that. That's below it. That's below the surface.
That's below the ring, but
that's below the piston ring surface. That I'm not worried about.
I can feel that one too.
Yeah, but that's. We'll send it one more time. See how it comes out.
And worst comes to worst, sends a shot. Have them do a pass on it.
Yeah. Or try one of the other blocks we have sitting around.
Yeah, we only got 3 of them. We went from none to 4.
What are we going to do with all of these?
Rebuild them, sell them.
Do we have 4?
Yeah. Got one at Jimmy's house.
Oh, yeah. And then another one if we need it. And another one if we need it.
Yeah.
One last check.
It's getting there.
Mm-hmm. Still there, just the tads.
We're going to be working on getting the crank and pistons put back into the block. I like to use Lucas or Hyperlube on the bearings. It makes it a lot easier.
The strap is such a mess right now.
That's what happens when I'm gone for a month. Yeah, some of you actually follow us know about what was going on over the last month, or October 5th, at a life-changing event. I had a city trash truck push my Rabbit pickup truck through my house, and I also had a Chevy S10 push through my house. Hence why we haven't had any footage. I've been in the process of moving and getting everything else taken care of that I had to do. We'll try not to make that happen again. They are tamed, so they will only go in one way. And these do have tangs that kind of lock on the side of the third cylinder, or the third main cap. I did have this crank sitting in oil already to prevent it from rusting, so. What else have we got going on, bro? The next channel, you want to talk about your the Mark IV, what we got going on?
That's on hold right now, man. Unfortunately, everything else we got going on, we gotta get taken care of first.
Sure. We have gotten more GLI bits and everything for it.
No, we did. We did get some dash trim. Hopefully he has the door pull that we didn't have. So he had 3 door pulls. And we had 1, so hopefully those match up. Lucky enough, they'll match up the right way.
So based on the OE catalog on the main bolts, install them hand tight and 65 Newton meters and then 90 degrees. And then I'm gonna zoom in on the spec sequence. All right.
Oh, he goes through everything.
Yeah.
Timmy the Tool Man. That's his name. He's like OCD level.
Yeah, he wouldn't like us. We're OCD when it comes to torque. But...
Yeah, I don't know. Now, how many Ugga Duggas did you say this was?
4.
All of them?
All would be Ugga Duggas. Could you ever have too many Ugga Duggas?
I don't think so. Unless it's a little T30, then you can.
First step, hand tight. Those are hand tight.
When are we going to get these new hoodies made? There's last year's hoodie. I was showing them your hoodie. There.
One of last year's hoodies.
One. We had 2 designs. Pretty similar, but... Going to 65 Newton meters this time.
Alright, next up, 90 degrees. Turn additional 90 degrees, 90 degrees. All the yellow lines
Pretty
are
good.
facing.
Yep.
3 o'clock. Smooth. Alright, side cap bolts. There you are, RTD.
So this is actually the 4th piston we're putting in, but I'm going to move this up to before we put pistons in. And these rods, as you can tell there, they're not machined, they are broken. So when you're taking your engine apart, you need to screw this cap back into the rod and mark it all so you know, so they get matched up. We had to spend, oh, how long was it?
About 20 minutes trying to
20 minutes trying to match all the caps up to the rods, right? So do that. Also, here is the failure on this engine. Right there, that is, which cylinder was this?
Cylinder 4.
Cylinder 4. And the engine that came out of this car had the same damage on its cylinder 4. So that's, most of the things I've gotten teared down Mark 7 wise, it's that, if it has low compression. So now, the reliefs go on intake side, and these have an arrow pointing to the front of the block.
Then you always have a problem like that sometimes. You get caught on one of the rings, so pull it back out.
Popped out again. And for cap, well, 3 cap, number 4 that we've done. The final one. See, look at that. That's what it looks like when it's broken. And both sides are the same. Yep. Some lubricant so that it can lubricant. That's what they should call it. Go.
Connecting rod bolts are going to be 45 Newton meters plus a 90-degree turn.
Some more oil on the piston walls. Make sure it's got good compression when you gotta start it up.
Most of this I'll wipe out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna cover that full piston so I can rock it down. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. In the next video we will get the head rebuilt, get the head gasket done, get the timing chains on. Catch you next time.